thing is, it's very difficult to work on your own, one, and you've got to learn to understand that if you have more people working with you, or because it's not just about working with people, isn't it? It's also about the market. If the market has very few, if you are making this product for a market which is engelabantu abaningi,
Yeah.
you are at a disadvantage compared to someone who is doing it for a bigger market. So you also need to understand the market.
That's right. Yeah. You need. And we are now talking about bringing in a lot of people. So if
Yeah.
we call that one adding value. And
Yeah,
so you need to add value to your product.
correct.
When you need to understand which when as an individual you can only do so much. But there has got to be a chain. For example, when we farmer, when I stick to your farming,
Yeah.
and then listen connectana lo Mr. Spire. Mr. Spire, when I'm every year, everything has got to harvest in 12 one comes GMP.
Yes.
So I'm saying go transport, he's in the business, he transport. But then maybe from the beginning, what other things I'm implement our farming, a lot of things, some chemicals, our farming. So all those people, I need to be connected with them.
Yeah.
Now, maybe we can just stick to the farm, if the farm look on the farm in the 30 acres. But in a Zamana to the 5.
Yeah.
That means if we multiply each one of us only 30 acres, if we multiply 5 by 30, and we've got a very big piece of land.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, so if we concentrate on the farm or on the land, and then we leave Mr. Sibaya on the transport side of things, we leave Mr. Mafuma on the chemical side of things. So we are working together, but each and every one of us is benefiting in their own specialized area. My specialized area is farming. Your specialized area is chemical supply. And the specialized area, Mr. Sibaya, is transport.
Yeah.
So numbers, when you bring numbers together, you are adding value to your product. You are also adding value to yourself, but you're also adding strength to yourself. For example, if 5 acres on your own, I'm selling 5. That means we sell 25 acres.
So any problem ekhona ukuthi abantu bagcina engabona mina ngilimi 5 acres, umuntu wonke la sefuna ukulima ama 5 acres. So I've seen it with a lot of businesses back home. Ukuthi wona ungaqalisa ibhizinesi yamakhombi, umuntu wonke esathenga ikhombi. So siyaqinisa the market which is lopsided.
Well, I think I think is I think one which I want to see was Ubala, in terms of accounting, but also we don't follow our passion.
Yeah. So ngama quick bayacanga ukuthi imali business le yaletha imali very quickly.
Yeah, because namhlanje umuntu wekhombe ethwele isaka lingaka so I think ukuthi kule magana.
Yeah.
But we should not be thinking of money in terms of papers guys who are by now. We should be thinking of wealth.
Yeah.
Right? And so when we're talking about wealth, we're talking about assets. If we just say ngona abantu bethengisa amakhombi umuntu wekhombi ethwele inkalakatha yesaka la mfunga ethwala isaka sesiyathenga ikhombi, but I have no idea ukuthi ikhombi business yenziwa njani. I have no idea ukuthi ikhombi business, how do I add value, and I have no idea ukuthi ikhombi business, how do I make a continual penetration of the business. I have no idea, but I know if I go and buy a combi in Twalaban, but this what do I want to do with it?
That's
so true. I think since kuthiwa ndondabo ungabona umuntu oyenza lokhu la umsenza lokhu umuntu oyenza lokhu la umsenza lokhu. But we need to follow our passion.
That's correct.
I think that is important. And when we follow our passion, it is in our passion, it is when we follow our passion that we are able to increase the numbers, that we are able to count, because we can then, we know what we are there to stay in that kind of business. It's not something that we are doing for money today. It's something that we are doing because we enjoy it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
yeah, I think you've summed it up very well. Douglas, welcome. Do you have a question for Mr. Moyo? Bengu live lapa go ngihambe live go Facebook page. I noticed Douglas has just joined. I don't know if he's got a question for you. We're talking about the issue AMA numbers in terms of how we can add value and how we can follow a passion in terms of the sort of business that you want to get into. And so Mr. Moyo has just been explaining. Is there anything else we need to know, Mr. Moyo, about Ishama numbers?
I thought Mr. Tubayo has a question.
No, I'm waiting for the question. He hasn't asked yet.
Okay, no, that's fine. So, I mean, I think we have explained the issue of former numbers. I mean, we can add more examples. For example, we have now talked about Amakombi. Amakombis, for example, you have everyone saying,
yes.
And then that person wants to work on their own to make as much money as possible.
Yeah.
But if those Kombi people were to come together and say, right, we are working as a business. So we put all our Kombis together, and our Kombis are not competing against each other, but they are providing a service.
Yeah.
It's not about competition, but it's about a service. So if, for example, I'm a Kombi on it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So ikombi yonke eya eGwabalanda, imali yakhona goes into one pot. So now, there is no competition yokuthi mina imephume ngiyethatha abantu uqale eGwabalanda. But we're providing a service.
Abasalo abantu ngoba owindi bayabechayana.
Owindi bayabechayana. Abantu besala ngenxa yokuthi uyagijima ukuthi ayathathela ngaphandle
lama accidents futhi ngoba bayasebegijima kakhulu.
Exactly. But also its service is no longer, there's no service, if you like. There's no customer service.
Yeah.
But then when we know what it is owner a route,
yes.
Whatever combi comes our way, we can timetable our combi.
Yeah.
Now we say MP Papa Fields why was waiting on 6 o'clock? Kule bus esuka isiema kwetu. Kule bus esuka isiye Chabalala. Ama bus akona ayihamba nge-timetable.
Yeah.
Ohlale eBaba Fields about every 15 minutes kule bus eya e-town. So ngamisi bus ka 6 o'clock ngiyakateka kora bus 6.
Yes. Yeah.
And so they need
consistent.
At the moment they don't have that service. At the moment they are fighting and arguing. But instead of fighting and arguing, they need to come together and think of their customers and think of their service. When they put a service in place, then they are thinking of growth. Then they are thinking long term. Because when you have a service, they are not attracted to a beauty, but they are attracted to the customer service.
Yes.
How to make people feel. So when we bring those numbers together, owners, what to sit back and hire drivers and tell them we want a driver. Every Monday is every in 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Yes.
And then when the next one is quarter past. So there is that service. Then they can know what we have reliable service.
Yes.
So we always think in terms of money, but we should be thinking in terms of its service, because this service is long term.
I remember saying in Lapana, I'm sitting on Fnugia Kadipas, Equanda Lapa. Liangenuse passing and
yeah.
And then bus driver or conductor when it's you're almost going.
Right.
So they'll be encouraging you to say, get in the bus, we're about to leave.
Right.
But at the end of the day, Elizabeth Porter can appear for the next 2-3 hours.
and of course,
So
you
that
still
kind
remember
of
that-
service, I think it's still there, which
yeah,
is
but you still remember that because that affected you in a negative way.
yes.
You didn't like that.
Mm.
But if I take you back again to that time as well, ukuthi uyakhumbula ukuthi ibhasi kaZupco, wopha ibhasi kaZupco nxa isiye eHarare, ingafikisa ngo-6 o'clock uyasuka.
Yeah, so even ilabantu abalutshwana.
Yeah, abantu abangu-2.
But abantu basebekwazi ukuthi kule ingathi 6 ngo-6 so bangena. Yeah.
Yeah, want to le bhasi leyana kuthiwa express motorways. Eyayisukela eSithole. Wayekwazi ukuthi i-express motorways kuleka 6 kuleka 7. Yabona? Now when you compare that with ibhasi yapha eGwanda, angikwazi iphi ibizo la, but ibhasi eGwanda efika kubhodisi kumele ukuthi abantu bazi bagcwale. Abantu bangagcwala kuze kuchaya u-10 lezi zisuke ngo-10. But wena ufuna ukuyafika eGwanda ngo-10.
Kwakulo bimbizo lo shushayi.
So bona bagijimisa abantu, in other words babegijimisa imali more than i-service. But then if they
babekorokoza ama-numbers akho.
Well, exactly.
They need numbers, but at the expense of what of providing a long-term service.
A long-term service.
Because abafuna imali khonapho kwanamhla, which is short-term, but they were not thinking about the long-term health of the company.
I think what they wanted numbers in terms of illiquid cash, which they could have today and dispose of tomorrow. But they didn't think of numbers in terms of service. Because if they had provided a reliable service, people would have been attracted to the reliable service. Knowing no matter what, ngingasuka mina ngisithi mfunge eGwanda ngiyekade ibhasi ka-8, definitely by 10 years since eGwanda. So that is a service that I was looking for, or that we are looking for, rather than the service ukuthi
a distance of about 100 kilometers, it will take you 12 hours to get there. Yeah, we get ngabo 9 ekuseni, figure ranking ngabo 11, 12. But you're going to arrive around 11 midnight, 11, 12.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, yeah. So I think when we're talking about our numbers, they should be numbers one that add value, but also numbers that are projecting long term rather than immediate. So we shouldn't be chasing our numbers, our paper figures in terms of human, but we should be chasing our numbers in terms of reliable customers that can be depended upon because of the type of service that we are providing.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
That's true.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Another thing that we can bring in cars, let's see one say orange.
Yeah.
Maybe later on, 2. And then somebody started using 3 is a mango. We could not call that an orchard. Just those were individual things. But this kwakule ama-lines awezihlahla zamagwava lezihlahla zamamengo, and because of the numbers of trees that were there, we called our school garden orchard. Lapho kwakugcwele khona izihlahla zamamengo lezihlahla zamagwava. So the same thing you can also have an orchard, but you need to be thinking, what is the purpose of segwava? Is it just because you like having one tree, or thinking long term? You have the orchard yamagwava.
Yeah.
Now the orchard yamagwava, abantu they will know what Mr. Tafuma kule orchard yamagwava. So let's cut some they will know, right? We have to visit Mr. Tafuma because we orchard yamagwava.
Yeah.
So one tree doesn't mean anything.
Exactly.
And all of us, we had one tree of guava, one tree of mango, one tree of that.
Yeah.
But that did not add value. But then when we went to a place like a school and maybe into a farm where all the his name, then people knew it is an orchard and people go there because knowing what it is, big numbers. They could ward big numbers.
Yeah, I mean, so if individual families, let's say Emakara Pan,
Yeah.
they could actually export a product by just coming together and saying, let 3 Emakwava Mzin 1, Luanule 5, Luanule 6. We
Yes.
come together, we package it up, and we can export, or we can sell at Emma towns.
That is very possible. Yeah. But the problem is like this is selfish. So one you can everything
Yeah.
but is a coming, for example, using 10, that is the mark of 3. If we all agree with yes, customer cover, we are going to sell a cover to go okay.
Yeah.
And we can go okay and say between April and June, we can supply you 10 cartons of guava every week. Now, we have come together as 10 families of 10 homesteads and agreed that we are going to be selling guavas as one.
Yeah.
So that adds value. With 10, we are now presenting as one.
That's true.
But then when we go to okay, we can supply you with 10 cartons of guavas every week. We can manage to do that because when we put our guavas together, the numbers add up.
Exactly.
But on my own, I can't.
I was just thinking also not only in terms of our fruits and all that, but a lot of other things, like even in Komande. A lot of people you find in Makai would maybe Alenko is 7, Omulenko is 9, Omulenko is 3.
Exactly.
So instead of hiring three different people to go and look after those cattle, you can actually have a pool.
Yeah.
Maybe you take turns. Say today this family is going to look after all the 3 and 7, 10, 9, 19 or 20 beasts.
Yeah.
Even a collective.
Yeah, exactly. I think when you talk about that, it reminds me of how selfish we are. I'll go and hire umfana welusinkomo. Nimpatale $20 every month, $100 every month, $3.
Yeah.
When I also allow ulenkomo 6, we're umfana umpatale $100, for inkomo 6.
Yeah.
So it's 10 homesteads. See different numbers. Which can be inkomo can be looked after by one person, and we can all agree with right. Instead of us hiring different people, we can hire one person and maybe pay that person $200. So, but the contribution here towards will be $10 if you like, or maybe $20 per family. As it's 10 families, each family paying $20. Umuntu welusinkomo is 1. Now is looking after 50 a head of 50 cattle. So he can manage to do that. To go to Lusinkomo is 50. Simply $200 every month. But then me as a family or as an individual, I'm paying only $20 towards Lusinkomo as compared to paying $100 towards Lusinkomo.
Yeah, so it can even be translated into farming, isn't it? We can decide with these families because maybe area Abagio is best suited for that. Instead of having little plots all over the place. And about the surplus, say GMP as a collective as well.
Yes, it can go into any area of our life. But of course, the fundamental thing that we need to have now is to develop a trust amongst ourselves, is to develop a long-term thinking within our communities. And then, of course, deal with the issue of selfishness. Because at the moment,
yeah,
we should be thinking of.
I think any issue which I've already brought in without realizing it, crowdfunding, crowdsourcing, and that we
Exactly.
are working as a collective. Because our numbers, I mean, if you are going to crowdfund, our numbers are very helpful in that each person is, we are keep adjust a little bit, but you are able to accomplish something bigger than the
Exactly.
individual.
That is very true. Basis the foundation of crowdfunding is trust. You know, we have to trust each other. Right? Let's keep it. Let's keep $20. It couldn't come as let's keep ama saga 2020. We say GMP. We have to trust whoever we are appointing. Right? When you are our representative, GMP. Whatever profit we are going to make as a collective, we will come and divide together, and we trust that when you will bring the money back and we share equally. So trust is fundamental, because I think that is one thing that is destroying us even as a nation. We don't trust the person next door. Also, we think the person next door is always.
I think we're going to talk about. We'll need to make a new video on e-trust. Because I think we also have to explore why people are not trusting.
Yeah.
Well, because there's a reason why they don't trust, and we need to explore that as well.
I'm more than happy to do that. You know? But I mean, talking about our numbers, in order for the numbers to work, we have to trust each other.
Yeah.
So all these things are interconnected. Maybe trust on its own, we can deal with it later on as a topic.
Yeah.
But all these things.
I think what I'm saying is, I think it's a very big topic, which I think it will require another long video just to explore it. Yeah. So I understand it's relevant here as well. You can still talk about it.
Yeah.
In the context of what we've been talking about, so it's also relevant here. But I think it's something that we're going to have to look at, because it's something that's very big. Like you're saying, it's affecting it's affecting the country, because I don't think as a country we are trusted, by our partners in the rest of the world. So that's how it's also affecting us.
Exactly. I mean, trust is fundamental to everything, my friends. But anyway, maybe let's leave the issue of that. We'll come back to it some other time.
Yeah, we'll come back to that one.
We started with one break, and because we were talking about accounting. And have you thought into growth point? They are meant to, something that is my idea, my thinking is, growth point is meant to grow. It is a place of growth, isn't it? But why is it that they are not growing?
Yeah, I think that's another topic. We've already done half an hour. Let's leave it here, and then we can do another video, and we can talk about AMA growth point, and then we can talk about the issue of trust. I think trust is actually going to take more than one video. Same as everything we talk about, we need to keep reminding each other. And I think this is a good platform for people to share information, share knowledge, and we're going to continue to do that. But I want to thank you for doing this video, Thomas. And we'll meet again in the next video.
Okay, not a problem. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you. Okay.